What happens when Yamaha takes one of motocross's most iconic two-strokes and pushes it even further? Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Yamaha YZ125. And trust me, this one's worth your attention. Design. Starting with design, Yamaha has refined the YZ125's aggressive styling while keeping that unmistakable blue and white color scheme. The slim profile makes it easier to move around on the bike, and the updated bodywork improves airflow. It's lightweight, balanced, and looks absolutely sharp on the track. Performance. Now, let's talk performance. The two-stroke engine delivers punchy power that's incredibly fun to ride. Yamaha has fine-tuned the power delivery for smoother acceleration through the rev range. The suspension system provides excellent handling, soaking up jumps and rough terrain with confidence. Whether you're a newer rider or looking to sharpen your skills, this bike responds beautifully. Features and technology. In terms of features, Yamaha hasn't overcomplicated things, and that's a good thing. You get reliable braking, a sturdy clutch, and quality components throughout. The frame geometry has been optimized for better cornering stability, and maintenance remains straightforward, keeping you on the track longer. Conclusion. The 2026 YZ125 proves Yamaha still knows how to build a fantastic two-stroke. It's accessible, exciting, and delivers where it counts. What do you think of this year's YZ125? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, share it with your riding buddies, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more content like this. See you in the next one.